There was, of course, no bang, big or small sound, because there was no medium in which sound could exist. It was the beginning of time, space, matter, energy, everything, all inexplicably created out of a singularity in which none of this existed before. In the 1960s, scientists detected the echo of the Big Bang in the form of background, radiation from across the sky. Impressively, they have produced a theoretical explanation of what must have happened in the very first second of the universe. When the universe was still tiny and incredibly hot, a sudden expansion occurred as matter moved from the minute quantum scale to that of a small but growing cosmos. Vast amounts of matter and antimatter were created, almost all of which mutually annihilated, leaving just a tiny proportion of matter. As the universe cooled from its enormous level of energy, subatomic particles assembled. It was now, for another 380,000 years, that temperatures fell sufficiently for electrons and protons to come together to form atoms. Vast clouds of hydrogen collected, cohering into ever denser masses that compacted under the force of gravity until hydrogen atoms at the center fused into helium, releasing energy that made them burn as stars. When some of these exploded into supernova, heavier atoms were made, which formed the raw materials. For the universe, we know it. The theory of Big Bang was put forward in 1950s, and it is still the unchallenged scientific explanation of the origins of the universe.